Yeah. It just picked up some dirt. It's actually doing really good. Let's see what it do over here. Okay, it's going over a rug. It's pretty neat. Let's see if it pick up on the rug, y'all. All right, so far so good. Cool. You gonna fall. Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video, I am going to be showing you this new vac that I have. It goes by itself. Here it comes. When I say I love it, I love it. If y'all see that bell, that's me potty training my dog. So I got a little bell, but here it is. When I say y'all, it's the best thing since freaking sliced bread. Like when I say all you got to do is run it. It goes different location. It can be able to tell when something is there. It kind of bounced back. And you see how I just did that? We run it on our hardwood floors. I have not tried yet on carpet, but I could truly say it does really good, like on rugs, different things like that. I'm telling you guys, if you are thinking about purchasing it, you most definitely need to purchase it. This is the actual dock. So what happens is if you press home, it can go back to the home as long as you got it in a good, area. It most definitely can find the home. This is the controller right here. You can do auto. Like I said, you can press the home button. I don't know why it's not focusing. You can have it go up. You can have it go down. All these good things. And it's not that loud. Here is the dock. There is Rain. Say, hey, Rain. She does really well with it. I was a little nervous to see how she would do with it. She don't bark or anything. So I'm telling you guys, if you are thinking about purchasing one of these vacs, you most definitely would love it. Like when my husband told me he was going to purchase one, I was like, ugh, for what? Like, it's the best. Especially with this type of floors. Like, they get dirty kind of quick. Not necessarily dirty, but the grass be all over. So you got to find yourself sweeping a lot. But when I say, guys, this is the best. And I like to always show you guys different things. It's called a cord. Let me say it right. Hold on. There we go. A Coredy. I got it off of Amazon. I am going to include the link at the bottom of the description. We had to roll up this rug because baby loves rugs. So until she get potty trained, that's what that rug is over there for. But anyway, guys, just wanted to show you real quick. If you're thinking about purchasing this, most definitely purchase one because it is the best. The best, guys. Let me just let y'all see it. And again, I will include the Amazon link. I purchased it on Amazon. And there was a whole bunch of different ones, y'all, to choose from. But I can truly say I love this one. Like, it was not that high. It was costly. Not too costly at all compared to some of them. Because some of them were really high. So you see how it's going up under there? And it's going to come back. It might come back. Because I got them cords. So we'll see. Okay, good. Make sure you lift up cords. Because at first I had some cords back there. And it used to always get stuck. But it's easy to take the cord out, though. So there it is, y'all. If you have one, let me know, guys, how you like it. And if you got a pet, man, it makes it so much more easier. Even if you don't got a pet, it's the bomb. Because we got it before we didn't have a pet. And it's the bomb. Okay, guys, be blessed. And I will look at it. Look at it. She's like, what is that? And I'll chat with you guys later. Bye, guys. It is going to go home by itself. Watch this. This is so neat. Just going home. So neat. So it has a home button. So it will go home if you press home. Just wanted to show that to you real quick, guys. So it would not get lost. Bye, guys.